Hi guys, so this is the look, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. I'm back again outside in this bipolar weather. Today it's sunny but chilly. Yeah. Anyways, I'm going to be doing a remix of the, or should I say a collaboration of the Jungle Braids braid with the curly tips knotless. So stay tuned. So I'm just going to oil it with my Blue Magic. And then of course I'm going to be putting colors. Nice little spring color, but it's not too bright, but it bright. Anyways, so this one I'm going to be using amber green and of course my ebony. Yes, I can't leave that out no matter how much it breaks me out, but okay. Alright. This hair texture is a little bit coarser than what I use, because colored hair is always like that though. I know this is different when you have regular black or brown hair. The colored hair always have a little coarseness to it. How it's looking.
Nice.
Can't wait till it's cut.
My girl is pretty.
Your girl is pretty.
My sister. No one is like you. You're the prettiest sister in the whole world.
Oh, you're so adorable.
Let's fill this boy up. I get 50,000.
guys, so this is the finishing touch, and it is so cute. But some of them didn't come out as curly as one. I have to go back again and do it. I did like 2 times. But the tricky things with curly braid in here, it don't take yeah, my cousins are here. We just did egg hunting, but it don't take hot water very well, so but gotta work with it.
You know what I take it?
Teresa. This is how it looks. So cute.